Hi and welcome to A Brit in the Philippines. Yeah, you've guessed it, I'm still not in the Philippines yet. Now I'm here today because I've got to have the contract signed for my house rental. Now this is the state that I used to live on, but I'm renting my house out here and I'm going to give them a 3-year contract. So as you can see, I'm burning my bridges for 3 years. I can't come back on the estate whether I want to or not, so if things fail in the Philippines, then I'm up the creek basically without a paddle. Now the houses on here, now wait for it, are very I've got to stop doing that now. No, you're wrong, they're not very expensive, they're very cheap actually. You would get one of these houses for about £100,000. So if you want to come over from America, that's about $150,000, and God knows what it is in pesos, couldn't tell you. But anyway, just thought I'd tell you a bit about why I've decided to do what I'm doing. And basically I've had a bad last 3 years. My mum died, my sister got poorly with cancer, my marriage broke down after just a short period. I wasn't married long. That broke my heart, and then I got assaulted at work, and basically the stress of all that just burnt me out, and that's why I'm here today, and that's why I'm going to the Philippines. But I feel good about it. I don't think there's much I'll miss apart from my friends and obviously family, but they're all my kids are growing up and doing their own thing, so it's time for me. Now as far as relationships go, I'm genuinely not going over there for a woman. Now that's not to say if it ever happens, you know, I'd be sad about it, because I wouldn't, but not in the immediate future anyway. I want to get settled, because my marriage, it's only been just over 2 years and it's still quite raw, so I don't want to get into anything straight away. So that's basically the reasons I'm going. I'm sure there's a lot more I can't think of at the moment, but I think they're as good as any for anybody. Right, so basically my house is round here. We're coming up on it now. It's just a short video, guys, to show you what I'm renting out. This is my house here with the green car parked in front of my garage, and as you can see, my tenants keep it lovely. I have no gripes at all about giving them a 3-year contract, and it is a very nice estate. I did enjoy my time living on here. But I suppose at the end of the day I've got a house to come back to eventually, so I'm not totally burning my bridges. But that's it. I just thought I'd show you that as a bit of a contrast to my other video. It just gives you chaps an idea of where I come from. So once I'm in the Philippines, you've seen where I lived, and then you'll see how I'm living, which it won't be very good, not on the kind of money I'm wanting to live on anyway. I wouldn't imagine so. But anyway, bye for now, and we'll catch up later. Thanks, bye.